Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today we're getting into these curly bangs, curly bangs. I'm not gonna lie, I've been scared to do this look for a long time, not because I didn't think it would be cute on me, but because I don't know if I was gonna show no restraint. I felt like I was gonna either end up with them baby Beyonce bangs or it'll be like the regular layers that I've been doing, but she ended up coming out cute. Today's video is sponsored by ISEE Hair. They sent me over a wear and go 4x6 closure wig. The texture is kinky curly. She's 20 inches and she's really cute. She has the tiny knots. The cap construction is amazing. She came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, and the curls are really pretty. So I was excited to work with her today. I went ahead and popped the wig on, and as you can see, it's pretty laid. Like, she doesn't really need much. So I'm just gonna go in with my lace melting spray. This one is by Kiss and it's in the silver bottle. I spray a little bit of the product out onto like a surface. I used this little card that my wig cap came on, and then I applied the product with a little bitty brush right to the edge of the lace, just because I want it to be melted, but I don't want to overuse the product so that the hair doesn't get stiff and it just doesn't give that really shiny look. I don't know how to explain it, but I am not a fan. So once the product is kind of tacky, I went ahead and used the little spatula part on my edge control brush and just pushed the lace into the spray to make sure everything was nice and melted before we went ahead and put on our melting band. They sent me this one with the hair and I think it is so cute. I don't know what's been going on. I've never been a pink girly, but I've really been liking pink lately, like baby doll pinks and really cute like hot pinks with a little blue undertone. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's a quarter life crisis girl, but I'm becoming a pink girly. We'll see how long this lasts. So while I have that melting band on and the lace is melting, I'm going in with my pressing comb and just pressing out first around the part. The wig came with the middle part and I was not trying to shake the table, baby. It was given already. I wasn't trying to do too much work. We're gonna just leave that little middle part there, press her out with the pressing comb, and then I'm also going in sections along the side of the closure and pressing out the hair as well. I've been taking the time to do this lately and I really feel like it does add to my installs when I want it to be really flat. If you want extra volume, you can skip that step, but I've really been liking how it's been making my wigs come out lately, so I just went ahead and took care of it. And now let's get into these layers, baby. Layers and bangs. So I sectioned out a small piece of hair from the crown of my head to just in front of my ear, and I started my layers at about my lip. Normally I start around my chin or my neck, but baby, we going for the gusto today. So I started a little bit higher and I'm just using my razor comb to drag down the hair and add lots of layers and texture to it. I was a little nervous, I was a little scared, okay, so I didn't want to go right in with scissors. I feel like they're a little bit less forgiving, whereas the razor comb is just going to take a little bit of hair at a time, okay? Baby steps, and we can work our way up to creating a shape that we really do like. So as you can see on the left side, it doesn't have very much volume, and on the right side where we added all the layers on our little bangs, baby, she's given already. She's given a little bit more drama, she's given a little bit more intentional, it's given a little bit more polished and finished. Now I love a good even cut curly moment as well, but I have to have the ends kind of blunt. So if I was gonna go for that look, I would have just trimmed a couple inches off the bottom and then defined the curls. But I'm feeling the layers today, so we went ahead and layered her kind of heavily, baby. We went in today. Now to clean up the part a little bit, I'm going in with my CoverGirl 24-hour foundation powder, and I'm using that on a small angle brush and just taking that down the part to make it kind of pop and to kind of conceal where the wig cap is sitting, because I did not do the ball cap method today, baby. These wear and go wigs for me are very much wear and go. So I'm cutting all the corners I can, and they still look really, really good without the bald cap method. I kind of reserve that technique for frontals. I whip it out when I need to, but for the most part, honey, I'm popping that wig cap on and keeping it pushing. So I've sectioned out the bottom portion of the hair, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the styling. This is a kinky curly wig, so I wanted to make sure I'm taking my time and working my way through the hair in sections like I would do with my natural hair to get the best, most defined curls. So I sprayed the section down with some water using my spray bottle, and now I'm gonna go in with this product called Mousse Death by The Dew. I don't know why that sounds so funny coming out of my mouth. I'm pretty sure that's right, but I got this product from Target. I've tried it on like a deep curly unit, and now I wanted to try it on like a kinky curly wig because I feel like the hold is serious, and I thought it would do this wig some justice. So I'm taking my time and applying the product in sections to give it the best chance to get the most definition. And so far, I am obsessed. I love the curl pattern on this wig, and I love how the product is kind of defining the curls. We're getting lots of definition, and I know the hold is gonna be amazing. That way, next time I wanna wear this wig, I can literally just take it out of the bag and pop it on without having to do too much work. I'm not gonna lie, I only style my wear and go closure wigs when I first get them, and if I like wear it to smithereens. But if I'm just popping it on, popping it off, popping it on, sweetie, it'll be weeks before I rewash her and restyle her. I'm not gonna lie to you. Once I have the product all throughout the hair, I'm gonna kind of brush it into place exactly where I want it to be. And instead of adding more product, I'm just wetting it down with more water to make sure that it's nice and moist, and I can make sure that the curls stay nice and defined. And once I have everything combed into place exactly where I want it, I'm going in with the MVP for me this winter. The MVP, okay, has been my Chi Travel Blow Dryer with a diffuser attachment. I've been loving wearing my curly wigs, even when it's cold outside. I know that's crazy, but I don't want to walk around with wet hair, and I'm always running late, so I don't have time to wait for my hair to air dry in the house. So this diffuser has been saving my life. It took me about 20 minutes to get the hair completely dry on the low heat setting. You can use the cool setting, but it takes a little bit longer, and I told you, baby, I'm impatient. So it took me about 20 minutes. The definition is crazy. The hair damn near still looks wet, okay? I'm literally obsessed. I'm using this product on my kinky curly wigs from now on. Y'all know once I find a product that I like, I overdo it, baby. So I'm about to stock up and bunker down, okay? This is all I want. I'm just kidding. Not really, but kind of. Baby, look at these curls. To finish the style up, I went ahead and trimmed any hairs that were out of place and applied a little bit of bronzer along the hairline just to kind of blend my complexion with the lace and mattify that melting spray a little bit. And this is the finished product. What do we think? What's it giving? What do the girls think? I'm obsessed with these curls. I'm gonna just say it right now, baby. That product, the Dew, honey, I can't even get it out. That product is fire. I love how these curls look. The definition is insane. So pretty. I love the cut. I think I'm gonna name her Melanie, but the jury is still out. All the details about this wig will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check her out, as well as any coupon codes that I have, because baby, it's the holiday season and we're trying to save the coins. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, babes.